This blockade is temporary. The real question is, how do you respond to total system override?
Welcome to Building Your Business's Uh-Oh Kit. Today we'll talk about how to prepare for cyber incidents. In the fast-paced digital world, cyber incidents are an unfortunate reality for businesses of all sizes. When your emails stop syncing, files vanish, or your screen locks, panic can be your worst enemy. That's when you need your Uh-Oh Kit, your business's emergency pack that turns chaos into control. The first essential item in your Uh-Oh Kit is an encrypted USB drive. You use it to collect logs, screenshots, and affected files when something happens. The one I use is the Apricorn Aegis Secure Key 3NXC, a hardware-encrypted USB-C drive with a physical keypad. It's FIPS 140-2 Level 3 validated. That means if you need to bring in a professional or prove what occurred, you've got secure evidence. Next, you'll need a paper checklist. Yes, paper. Because when your system's down, digital notes might be inaccessible. Your checklist should list who to contact, what to unplug, and what to collect, like screenshots and timestamps. The third item in your kit is a clean backup drive. Use a separate drive, not your normal backup, for emergency recovery only. Plug it in, restore clean data, and isolate the infected machine. Fourth, you'll need incident notes. Keep a printed logbook, write the date, time, and symptoms, what you saw, what you clicked, and what stopped working. Those notes become your evidence trail if you ever face legal or insurance questions. Finally, ensure secure storage for your kit. Keep everything, your encrypted USB, your clean backup drive, and your checklist in a small, fire-safe chest. In conclusion, being prepared is key. When the next uh-oh moment hits, you'll reach for this kit. You'll unplug, record, and recover, while everyone else is panicking. Prepare before the panic. Build your Uh-Oh Kit today and safeguard your business.